won't leave us alone. She's been throwing stuff at us, hitting us. I'm all bruised up. I'm on crutches now. She is just insane.
And across campus, and out of nowhere comes this bird. She starts attacking us. She bruises us. She hits us with branches. It's terrible. You guys should do something about this and give us 3 days in a row we were attacked by this horrific, terrible bird.
We're all beat up. We really need a community center here. That is just crazy.